Hey, I'm Trainer Gary and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this episode, we're going to do a special unboxing of a new locomotive I just picked up at Great Lakes Hobby. So let's go back to the train room and do the unboxing. All aboard to the train room. Hey, I'm Trainer Gary and welcome to the Man Cave, Train Room Gary's Train Room. And each one of you guys tell us your name and your age. What's your name?
Noah, and I am 8 years old.
Abby, what's your name?
Abigail.
And how old
How old
are
are
you?
you?
3.
Because we got Noah, age again?
8.
8. Abby's 3, and on the very far end is our head engineer. And how old are you?
Adam and I am 10.
Adam is 10. All right, today we're going to do a special unboxing. We just got back from the hobby shop, and we're going to unbox this Lionel train. Okay, guys, let's do the unboxing. What do you think, Noah?
I don't know.
This is a LionChief Plus.
Don't say what it is until we get it out of the box. Can you pull it out of there?
I think so.
There you go. We got it. Keep pulling. Let's get rid of the box here.
There's tape.
Well, let's go. Let's show them what we got here first. All right, guys. What kind of what road name is that?
That's CN.
Canadian National.
Yeah, CN stands for Canadian National.
Number 3018. 3818. Oh, yeah. 3810.
Okay, let's get it out. This is called a clamshell, guys. This is how they package them now. Let's kind of see. Look for the slots here. Grandpa's pocket knife. This is a Swiss Army knife. Be real careful. Let's look for this piece there.
You can use your keys to
Well, my keys have a pocket knife on the end of them.
Which can be dangerous if you drop them and they're open.
Yeah, definitely. Now, before you go far, let's show them. It came with what here, guys?
with the Lionel manual.
Okay, let's see if we get it out of there. All right, 2 hands here. Got it out. Put 2 hands on that. Let me move the clamshell. You set it on back on the table. That looks pretty
Even
sharp,
came
huh?
with a dropper.
Dropper for smoke.
Okay,
This is a LionChief Plus 2.0 model from 2023.
Right, it comes with traction tires, spare set of those, and this is that,
Oh.
that pack stuff,
Gel.
the gel.
Throw away immediately.
I think we'll get that out later, guys. You gotta show them that's this thing for the smoke.
It came with a squishy thing.
But I don't see any smoke fluid in here, so.
Squish this. Squish this, Ab.
Any more styrofoam we gotta take off, guys? Anything underneath the wheels or
No,
anything?
but that is for grown-ups.
Okay. All right, let's take one last look at it. I think we look pretty sharp here, guys. What do you think? What do you think, Abby?
Yeah. Do you like the locomotive?
She wants to eat the gel pack, I think.
Don't eat it.
Yeah, don't eat the gel pack.
Don't eat it.
All right,
Get really
let's
sick.
get it ready for the layout.
Yeah.
All right, Noah's going to put it over on the tracks. Can do it with 2 hands. No chaos, guys. This is called chaos prevention. Have your brother help you. And we're going to put this in front of a non-powered CN locomotive
This. Dummy.
in the dummy layout. Okay, how's that going there, Adam?
Railing is going pretty good.
All right, can you? Is it moving? Is it open?
Yep. Nice and secure.
Okay. All right, go get the remote. We're going to use, what kind of remote we're going to use, guys? Right there on the table.
Universal.
Can you use it?
Universal remote.
All right, you got the lights on the locomotive. Adam's got the universal remote. Okay, Adam, see what it does. All right, hey, you fired up. Now give us the horn. See what the ditch lights flash on the horn?
The smoke is going.
It's okay, let it smoke. It's fine.
I know, I'm just pointing it out.
Okay, a little smoke is going, okay. Oh yeah, we got smoke, guys. That's a good sign. We'll add some more as we need it. Let's see the crew talk, what that does.
Can we depart to the main line? Over.
Okay, I think we should, once crew talk stops here, let's get it moving, guys. What do you think? Hey, looking good. I think it looks pretty good with that non-powered unit, guys. At the very end of the train, we have a CN caboose, guys. Look at that. Pretty slick, huh? Okay, Adam's going to show us how to turn the smoke unit off because Grandpa doesn't like all this smoke in the train room. So we're going to go in here, lift the hatch off.
It's magnetically connected.
Okay, it's auto with magnets, correct?
Yep.
And on the inside there's three toggles, which is the middle one is what now? That's the smoke?
Yep.
We turn the middle one off. That turns the smoke off because I don't like all that smoke in Grandpa's train room. We put the hatch back on, and that's held on with magnets, correct?
Yep.
All right, take it away and see what it does. Okay, Adam, let's take the hatch off again. Take a look at the inside. There's another switch we got to discuss. Which point to the Bluetooth one?
Right here. It's at the very back of the locomotive. Last switch.
And we're going to leave the Bluetooth on because we might want to run Bluetooth. So leave it on. We're going to turn the smoke off. Is that it?
Yeah, if you don't want anybody to be able to run it by Bluetooth, then you can just turn it off.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, Adam, show us how to link it up using the iPhone app, LionChief App.
So first you click on this locomotive thing up there. Then you click the antenna you want. Then you click that thing. And then it'll...
Yeah, that's horn. Okay, you can show us the horn. Show us the bell. Okay, what else on it? Crew talk.
Dispatch, I'm in position, ready to go to the house. Over.
Now, of course, it does have front and rear couplers. We're not going to do that. It's got forward, reverse. Okay, Adam, take it forward. Cool.
The throttle. This is the horn. This is crew talk.
Dispatch, I'm in your lead all the way. Over.
Show us the bell.
This is the bell.
Now, it does have front and rear couplers, but don't do those because we'll get disconnected. But I like how it has a picture of the train. Point to the picture on the phone. I see
Yeah,
that.
there's a picture of the train on the phone. It has the number below it. And it shows what control system it is right below that.
Okay, Adam, let's show them how to do the voice command. Let's give that a try.
So you click that little tiny man right there that has it's talking. How do you click him? And then you say a voice command like, go slow.
So he just said go slow. That made the locomotive fire up. Now, what makes the locomotive stop?
Stop.
So it actually works. So the first command was go slow, and the second command was stop. Okay, so voice command is also available for this particular locomotive.
Blow the horn.
See that, guys? He said blow the horn went off. Try one more thing. What else you got?
Ring the bell.
He just said ring the bell, and the bell's working. always important to subscribe, guys. And what do you guys think of this locomotive? Is it a thumbs up or thumbs down?
Great.
Yeah, let's give a thumbs up. Abby, let's see your thumbs up. Thumbs up, Abby. Thumbs up. This is Trainer Gary's, and thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.